I'm going to show you how I was able to get over $80 in cash just by using the app Rakuten. I had to shop at PetSmart this week and I had to buy a number of products for my cat, but I also was able to get back a $40 referral bonus just by signing up. And you can do the same thing too. I'm going to show you in this video. When you sign up using my Rakuten referral code, you get $40 and I get $40 as well. Check my bio for a link to Rakuten to sign up, getting $40 back on your first purchase. Let's watch and see what I did. Today is the first day that I'm using Rakuten. Now, Rakuten is a website that you go to and then you start shopping. So you go to Rakuten first and then you find your stores, you start shopping, and you will earn money back. So right now, I just want to show you guys, I'm going to go to me. This is my first time shopping, so go to me and actually use a referral bonus. And up here at the top, it says a $40 referral sign-on bonus. And so I'll get this sign-on bonus, and the person who referred me will also get 40 bucks. That's huge. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to be able to redeem that sign-on bonus today and get $40 back for just shopping. Now, this is what your landing screen looks like, and I will be putting my referral code here on the screen for you guys, so you're able to get cash back as you shop as well. When you use my referral code, you're going to get $40, maybe $30. You're going to get $40 and I'll get $40. So we'll both get $40 just for signing up and placing the first order. So referral codes listed. I need to actually place a big order, so you guys are going to be doing that with me today. Now, I have a new kitty in my life. It's coming this weekend. And this kitty is a rag doll. I'm very excited. And so I'm going to go to PetSmart. And PetSmart has it right now where if you order online, you're going to get 6% cash back right now. And then on orders of $49 or more, I will be able to get free shipping. Now, I'm also a member of the PetSmart treats account. So with that means I get money back. So I'm just going to log in really quickly with my PetSmart account. Forgive me, just getting it. So that's what you'll do. You'll go through Rakuten and then you'll log in to your account that you have. So like, let's say you have an Old Navy account where you're shopping. You'll log in. And if you don't have an Old Navy account or whatever you're doing, you just create an account right there. So Rakuten essentially is just a landing page. Now, I've already loaded my cart here. And I've gone through and I have 3 things in my cart. So I'm just going to do this. So I have 3 things in my cart here. And I already have $12.50 in treats from my last order when I was in the store. But as you can see, we're ordering the Litter Robot 4 by Whisker. It's very expensive, but I'm telling you, it is a game changer. And I will be getting this soon. We had the Litter Robot 3 before, so I will be doing a video about that. But I'm ordering some carbon filters and a mat. So I have all of these things that I'm ordering, and I'm going to get it shipped to me. So right now, I'm going to continue to check out. And remember, we're getting that 6% cash back from Rakuten. So right now, if you look at the price, let's just say my total is, let's see, $8.39, right? $8.39 for the price. All right, so if we do some quick math right now, because I'm spending so much, and it's just, you don't always have to spend that much, but I'm spending a lot today. And so it's going to help a ton. So 840, let's just say 840 times your 0.06%, I'm going to get back $50 from Rakuten. Plus, I'm going to get back the 40 because this is my first time using this Rakuten app with the referral code. So at this time, once you get through the process, you can see that, I didn't show you my screen, but when I was placing the order, how much it cost and shipping and all that, and I got free shipping of orders over 50. I got 6% cash back, which was like $50. I got the $40 back because I had a referral code from somebody. So, like I said, I'll be putting that referral code up for you guys. So you get $40 and I get $40. And then also on top of that, this is something totally separate than Rakuten, but PetSmart actually has a little program called Treats. And every time you spend money you get cash back on their PetSmart platform. So just FYI, so that was like another part of it. I don't know how much money I got back. No clue on the PetSmart side. But anyways, all that. And then whenever the item ships, then I'll get the notification that Rakuten has put money in my account. With Rakuten, you can get either a paper check sent to you in the mail, or you can get it sent directly into your PayPal. And I always get everything sent directly to my PayPal. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys sign up for the Rakuten. It's like I said, you get $40, and I get $40 just for signing up and placing your first order. Thanks, guys.